Okay, if dark spots, sunspots, freckles, or uneven tone are something that you've been working on, this is a really easy product to add to your skin routine. So I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try. This is a dark spot remover for the face and body, and it has 5% niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. So it's not just focused on discoloration. It also works like a moisturizing fade cream. I use this on my face and on my hands. I think it would be good for anyone dealing with the looks of brown spots, sunspots. Sometimes you get those post breakout marks. I don't get breakouts anymore, but I remember when I did. Uneven skin tone is another thing to think about using this for, or areas of the body that look a little darker from sun exposure. This is made for all skin types. It can fit in just about any routine. What I like is that niacinamide is one of those ingredients people love because it can help improve the look of uneven tone while still being gentle for many skin types. So I want to show you what this looks like coming out. It does have this nice little dispenser on it. Comes out like you would expect as a little cream. I do want to say it feels pretty lightweight. The hyaluronic acid is great for skin hydration. When you're done using this, your skin doesn't feel, see how you have these dark spots? Your skin doesn't feel dry or tight, and the peptides give it that anti-aging skin feel. I use this on clean, dry skin, typically in the mornings. Sometimes I also add it in the evening. Again, you can use this as a targeted spot treatment or lightly over areas that you're looking for a more even skin tone. Again, I also apply it to my hands. If you see, at 60 years old, I'm getting some dark spots on my hands. I've also been using this on the top of my hands. You can definitely pair this also with sunscreen because sun protection is going to be a very big part of keeping you from getting more dark skin spots. It's going to be a big part of keeping spots from looking darker. So always also wear sunscreen. If you're looking for a dark spot corrector that feels hydrating like a moisturizer, this is definitely one to check out.